So today's question is medium level complexity, that is longest substring without repeating characters. So let me take to description of the problem. So given a string S, find the length of the longest substring without repeating characters. Okay, if you are given a string, so you have to find the longest substring which do not have the repeating characters. Here, starting from A is the longest substring without repeating character. Now AB is the longest substring. Now ABC is the longest. A repeats again. Now ABC is the longest substring as of now, and ABC will remain as longest substring. If you brute force hold the string. Here only B is the longest substring. Here WKE, which is the longest substring without repeating characters or unique characters. So how it will be solved? So you have to brute force and take in mind the edge cases. So three cases are the edge cases. Like A, there is only one string, there is only two string, and there is more than one string, more than two string without repeating characters. So if there is one string without repeating characters, so the longest substring is equal to 1, longest substring without repeating character is 2. Here the answer is 3. So how I have handled the edge cases is like, first I have taken the max value to a min value and an array list. Now brute force hold the string. If now currently the list is empty, if list doesn't contain the value which is in the string like A, now it will add it in the A. If it is length minus 1, this is to just to handle the edge cases. If it is I is equal to 0 and it is the last element, if B is equal to 0 and last element, and it has came so far, and we have to now finally calculate the longest substring. Okay. Considering this example, if A comes, I will store in the list, these two will not be executed. Okay, because we are not at the length minus 1. Now B, again list will be stored, these two will not be executed. Now C, again list will be stored this element because list doesn't contain this element, and these two will not be executed. Now A, now if will not be get executed this whole, now it will come to else and calculate j minus I greater than max. So what j minus I is, the length of the substring with unique characters. Okay, so here j is 0 1 2 3. 3 minus 0 is 3, so 3 is the length of the substring currently which is in the max, and I will break the loop because we have found longest substring till here starting from I is equal to 0. Then I will start from I is equal to 1 and keep going on till the end where we have the unique string. Okay, so this is the example of the third example, where normal example. Now if A comes, what happens if only A is in there the string? No, list doesn't contain it, so well and good, it will come on here, it will store in the list. Now it will come to this if, because this is the last element and it is the first element also. So the longest substring answer is 1. So j minus I is 0 plus 1 is greater than max. Yes. So j minus 0, 0 minus 0 plus 1 max. Max is equal to 1. So length of the substring is 1. Same goes with AB. Now when A will be stored, now when B will come, so B will be stored here. Now it will come to this else because it is the last element and it is not 0, it's not the first element. So again we have to calculate that j minus I 0 1. 1 minus 0 is 1 and plus 1 is 2. So 2 is the length of the longest substring. Okay, so here we have to make plus 1 if it is the edge cases, otherwise j minus I we can calculate, and we have to make the list clear after the first inner loop to make it ready for the next element. If we do not have the element with unique characters, then max will be 0. If max is still remains integer not mean value, then max will be 0.